Over several days, sunlight naturally reduces moisture from 15% down to below 10%. Even drying is critical. Trapped moisture can ruin the entire carbonization batch. Once dried, the biomass enters the mechanical processing phase.
Uniform size is essential for controlled carbonization. High-torque blades break down dense fibers into consistent biomass chips. Each fragment now optimized for efficient heat penetration. Size uniformity ensures even carbonization and consistent charcoal quality. Nothing is wasted. Oversized material is recycled for reprocessing. Now begins the most critical phase: carbonization without oxygen. Oxygen is completely sealed out, preventing combustion and enabling controlled pyrolysis. The kiln temperature begins rising in a carefully controlled curve. Volatile gases are extracted, preventing pressure buildup and enabling clean processing. Precision temperature control ensures consistent carbon structure formation. The organic structure begins to collapse, leaving behind concentrated carbon. Released gases are not wasted, they fuel the process itself.
Even a small oxygen leak could burn the material. Precision control is everything.
At peak temperatures, the transformation is irreversible. Biomass becomes charcoal. At peak temperature, carbon concentration reaches its maximum. The structure is now transformed: lightweight, porous, and energy-dense charcoal. Cooling must be controlled. Sudden oxygen exposure could ignite the charcoal.
Heat is released gradually, preserving the integrity of the carbon structure. Without oxygen, the charcoal cools safely without burning away.
Controlled cooling accelerates the process without introducing oxygen.
Only when safe, the kiln can finally be opened. From raw biomass to pure charcoal. The transformation is complete, now ready for refining and shaping.
Raw charcoal must now be refined into a uniform base. High-pressure crushing reduces the charcoal into manageable fragments. Fine particle size ensures strong bonding and efficient combustion. Purity is critical. Even tiny impurities can affect performance. A natural starch binder holds the carbon particles together. A perfectly uniform paste, the foundation of high-quality briquettes. Now, the material is ready to be shaped into fuel. Under extreme pressure, the material is compacted into solid fuel form.
Air is forced out, creating dense, long-burning briquettes. The signature shape, engineered for maximum airflow and efficient burning. Precision cutting ensures uniform size and consistent performance.
Each briquette is cut with millimeter precision.
Freshly formed, but still fragile and moisture-rich. Drying removes moisture, locking in strength and stability. Controlled heat evaporates excess moisture without damaging structure.
Moisture drops below 5%, ensuring durability and long burn time. Now complete, engineered fuel ready for performance testing.
Structural integrity ensures safe handling and transport durability. High-density compression resistance confirms industrial-grade durability. Ignition speed determines user convenience and fuel efficiency.
A stable flame means efficient combustion and controlled energy release.
Low smoke output confirms high carbon purity and clean combustion. Efficient fuel leaves minimal waste behind.
Carbon retention determines overall energy efficiency. After approval, every batch is precisely measured for commercial packaging.
Precision ensures consistency in every consumer pack.
Eco-friendly packaging protects both product and environment. Export packaging ensures long shelf life and global transport safety. Every bag is fully traceable from farm to factory. Automation ensures speed, precision, and uniform stacking.
From factory floor to international markets worldwide,
the product now enters the global shipping network. Standardized global logistics ensure safe international transport. From production hub to international markets across continents. Days of transport compressed into a seamless global journey. Arrival at international distribution hubs begins.
Global logistics systems distribute energy products efficiently worldwide.
From port to regional distribution centers. Regional hubs break bulk shipments into retail-ready supply chains. From global logistics to everyday consumer access.
After distribution, products enter retail supply hubs for final market placement.
Every retail unit is verified for traceability and quality assurance.
Products reach the consumer environment for the first time. Clear branding helps consumers instantly identify performance benefits. Retail displays are designed to highlight product efficiency and trust.
From industrial production to consumer-ready energy solution.
Consumers evaluate performance before purchase decision.
final step of the retail journey: purchase and ownership.
From agricultural waste to global household energy. The final stage begins: real-world energy application.
Ignition is fast due to optimized carbon structure.
Clean ignition with controlled flame expansion.
Stable combustion ensures consistent cooking temperature.
High heat output enables efficient and even cooking.
Low smoke combustion creates a cleaner cooking environment. Uniform density ensures consistent heat across the entire grill surface.
Sustained heat output allows long-duration cooking without interruption.
Beyond grilling, the heat supports everyday household cooking needs.
From agricultural waste to clean energy to shared human moments. Energy that supports daily life across homes and communities. Turning waste into value supports both energy needs and environmental balance.